Ndewono. Hello everyone. In this episode, you're going to be learning greetings, ekele, different ways we greet in Igbo language. The first one we have here is hello. In Igbo, we say ndewo. Ndewo. The N is pronounced inside. Day like a day. Wo like whoa. So the bracket word is just for tuning. It's just to help you pronounce the Igbo word. It doesn't mean it makes a sentence with the Igbo word or it means ndewo. It's just for tuning. So can you say ndewo? Ndewo name. That is hello mommy. Ndewo nnam. That is hello daddy. So hello is ndewo. Can you say it? Ndewo. So let's get to the next greeting. Here we have good morning. In Igbo we say ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. So in the morning you say ụtụtụ ọma nne. That's how you greet your mom in the morning. So in Igbo we say ụtụtụ ọma. Can you say it? Ụtụtụ ọma. Just like saying ụtụtụ ọma. It sounds similar. Ụtụtụ ọma. And after good morning, we have good afternoon. Good afternoon. In Igbo, we say ehihie ọma. Some dialects will say efifie. Ehihie ọma. Can you say ehihie? Then ọma. Say ehihie ọma. Say it again. Ehihie ọma. Name. That's when you want to greet your mom. Ehihie ọma no. That's if you're greeting a lot of people. Ehihie. And after ehihie, we have evening. And in the evening, we say good evening in English. But in Igbo language, we say mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Can you say Be de ọma. So ọma means good. That's why we are adding good to all the greetings. So mgbede, it means evening. Ụtụtụ means morning. Afternoon means ehihie. So when you add ọma to it, that's good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Mgbede ọma. Say mgbede ọma. That's wonderful. Then we have see you. Like when you want to say see you later, see you soon. See you later or see you is ka odi. ka, di. So when you say it fast, it's kodi. So it sounds like we're not pronouncing the A in the K. So it sounds like you just K-O-D. Kodi, kodi, ka-odi, kodi. So when you want to say see you next Monday, kodi ubosi Monday. See you tomorrow, kodi echi. Or you can just say see you, which is see you later or see you. So we can use it as goodbye or it's just see you or bye. Ka-odi. Enyi m kodi. That's my friends see you later. So can you say kodi? Say it again. Kodi. That's great. Then we have good night. Kachifo. So in the night we say kachifo, which is good night. Night doesn't mean fo or chi. Night means abale in Igbo, abale or abani. But when we want to go to bed, we say kachifo, which is not a translation to good night. It's just like a wish. You're wishing someone, let your day break. Like you're wishing someone, I want to see you tomorrow, let your day break. Kachifo. So it's a wish. We Igbos, we are more of expression. We wish. We give wishes. We express ourselves. So kachifo is how we say good night in Igbo. Can you say ka-chi-fo? Say it again. Ka-chi-fo. And it's good night. And we have the reply. When someone says good night in Igbo, we don't say good night back. We have a reply. So then we have the reply of good night. Kabo. So when someone tells you kachifo, you say kabo. Kabo. So when you say it fast, it sounds like the A is out. Kabo. Kabo. Can you say it? Kabo. So if you're finding it difficult, you can use car, like a motor car. Oh, ball. When you say it faster, ka-obo, ka-obo, which is good night to you as well. Ka-obo. Say it again. Ka-obo. That's great. So I believe now you can greet in Igbo language. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Stay tuned and thank you. Ka odino. Bye.